She's got me red-handed, loving on the girl next door. They're not supposed to find out, just look at me now. I think I'm falling in love.
Hey guys, if you were interested in how I got this purple glam smoky eye, then just keep on watching. For my first color, I'm taking this purple and I'm packing this directly into my crease and blending it out in circular motions. As well as applying to the crease, I am going to wing it out a little bit just to kind of give it that nice smoky effect, and this is going to be the base color of the purple. Once I am done winging it out, I kind of bring it down at an angle from the corner of my eye to give it that nice smoked angled look. For transition, I am taking that pink and that light purple and I'm applying this directly over the crease color. So to add definition and depth, I'm taking this deep indigo purple and I'm applying this directly into the crease as well, just to add it and make it a little bit more darker. So to prime my lid, I'm using my Morphe white concealer and I'm packing it on with a concealer brush. It doesn't have to be perfect how you apply it because you're going to blend it out with the eyeshadow. Now I'm taking that light purple and the dark purple and I am blending out the outer edges of the lid concealer that I applied just to kind of soften it up. Now I'm going into my BH Cosmetics The Weekend Festival palette and I'm taking that purple and I'm packing it directly onto my eyelid. Now I'm using my NYX glitter primer and I'm using this as primer for my neon shade. So I'm just taking a flat detailed brush and I'm putting this in the inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm going in with this yellow neon shade and I'm packing it directly on top of that primer. I don't know, for some reason I just can't get away from this neon yellow. It's just really pretty and it screams spring and summertime. Now I'm just taking a little bit of liquid eyeliner. I'm using my Wet n Wild one just to kind of help blend my lashes. Now I'm taking my Urban Decay Glide On eyeliner in the shade Rockstar and I'm applying this directly into my waterline. So for my foundation today, I'm using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop and I'm just applying this all over my face. So for concealer, I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer and I like to apply this in sections because this does dry really fast. Now I'm using the same concealer, just a darker shade to contour. I do apply this all over my face because I just kind of like to let it dry first before blending it out. It just kind of looks more seamless that way. She got the keys to my heart, got the keys to my heart. Every time she did change up that love, just look at me now. Think of my love, but how the fuck did I fall? I can't believe I'm falling for you. 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 And here I'm just smoking out my waterline with that original purple that we used. Now to set my concealer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Banana Deep Setting Powder. I have really been liking this because of the shade is a little bit more yellow toned, so it works really well.
Now for highlighter, I'm using my Anastasia Amrezy. Of course, it's my favorite. Now here I'm just applying some lip gloss that I got from Bare Minerals. I'm not sure on the color, but it is a plumping Moxie gloss, which are my favorites, and I kind of just really like this color. So here is the finished look, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure you guys subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.